income, that is NNPFC. What we do to calculate this? NDPFC plus NFIA, because factor cost is same, net is same. What we need to do? We need to change domestic into national. So what we do? We add NFIA. Now what are the precautions which should be taken while calculating national income from this method? First one is transfer income. Old age pension, employment, unemployment allowances, pocket expenses, this type of incomes are not considered while calculating national income from this method. Then income from illegal activities like theft and gambling. Someone cannot say that I have stolen some money, I have earned from gambling, I have earned from smuggling. These are not calculated under this, because all these generate the black money. Then commission paid on the sale and purchase of second hand goods are to be included in national income, as these are a reward for re-rendering factor services. Whatever the commission is given for the sale and purchase of second hand goods is to be calculated. Then brokerage on sale purchase of shares and bonds is to be included. Income in terms of windfall gains. Windfall gains means the income just by lottery should not be included, because there is nothing done to get these. The person just had bought a ticket of lottery, he has not provided factor services. As the same, the capital gains tax. Capital gains, it means the gains in share market are also not included as under national income. Then imputed rent of owner occupied house is to be treated along with the rent as component factor income. If the person has given his own land for working, the rent is calculated. Corresponding to production for self consumption, there should be generation of income in the economy. It should be taken account of. The production for self consumption is also taken, just like if a farmer has produced wheat at his farm and he takes the wheat at his home, that are also calculated. Then corporate tax, dividend and undistributed profit, all are the component of corporate profit. Once profit is calculated, these are not estimated. If the profit is not there, then these are counted. Income tax is paid out of corporations of employees. It should not be added in the estimation of national income. Income tax is not added. And then wages and salaries in cash as well as social security contribution by the employers on behalf of employees are all component of compensation to employees. Any of these components should not be separately added once compensation to employees. If the wages, the salaries, the payments in kind, if compensation is given, then these are not calculated. So this is all for today. On tomorrow when we meet, we study the precautions and we'll solve some numericals related to income method, and then we'll move forward with the next method. Thank you.